trial attorney Rachel Fiset joining us. So you listened to the attorney. He's claiming his defendant, in fact, was shot at, and he was, acting in self-defense. So he thought it doesn't quite match up with that video that the public has been seeing. What's your reaction?
Yeah, I'm having a hard time with his words and my eyes because what his words are saying are different than what my eyes were seeing on the video, which I could be wrong. But what it looked like was a car passing him and the man shooting at the car while it tried to get past him. So again, that's not what the man is saying. He's saying the guy had his arm out, which okay, he had his arm out, but I'm not seeing that this man was in an immediate threat of harm or death such that he would start firing his gun on a highway. Right. So it's not making a lot of sense to me.
Yeah, and so it's really interesting to me that Popper's attorney says he shot because he feared he was going to be shot or killed. But he doesn't say reasonably feared, right? And that is typically what a court would require, that there's a reasonable fear if you're going to argue stand your ground, and possibly some other elements. What would you say?
I would say you would have to see that he's in a real threat of physical harm, of death. This guy might be just looking for a fight, and now they have to defend this in some way. Thank goodness nobody was hurt. But the laws around self-defense, they're developing a little broad at this time, and I think this criminal defense attorney is taking advantage of what might look like a large development in being able to stand your ground. So each time that you're not seeing imminent danger for someone is taking a shot at another person, it ekes that self-defense, that stand your ground law a little bit wider. And I think at this point, he's taking it too far.
And it sounds like you believe that a court would also find that he's taking it too far, and this really isn't what the intent of the stand your ground law is about. It's about defending yourself when you really have no other choice.
Well, I think that's what it's meant to be about. I think a lot of stand your ground and self-defense is dependent on what state you live in, what jury you have. I think that these are states of mind, and so the way the laws are written are making it, they're getting broadened a little bit. But again, that's in specific states, specific legislatures. This is becoming quite controversial through the last couple of years as what looks like self-defense laws may be broadening to encompass larger and larger situations. I would be shocked if this would be encompassed in what would be self-defense. But again, this is all very jury pool dependent.
All right, trial attorney Rachel Fiset with that analysis. Thank you for being with us. It is reckoning day for 90 Day Fiancé star